This is about Juan Avocado. Juan Avocado is a man of focus, of commitment, of sheer effing will. I once saw him draw a portrait of a puppy with a pencil. With a pencil! Who does that? I can assure you, if nothing else, the stories that you hear about this artiste, if nothing else, have been water-colored down. He was the one you sent to paint the Baba Yaga, the boogeyman. All he paints is mountains, all he paints the sea. We're ever so delighted in the landscape scenery. Expressionism's fine for Germans feeling sad, but we do not like artwork that makes us feel bad. No way makes us feel bad. If it isn't witty, self-serving vanity. Don't want it real witty, don't like art that's smarter than me. Don't like art that's smarter than me. Those crazy young New Yorkers, they sure can't paint daffodils. All their paintings look like regurgitative spills. 100 years ago, maybe 2 or 3, there was none of this abstract crap. No breasts growing from a tree. No toilets hanging upside down. Jesus, how do you pee? How modern art ever got its start is a mystery to me. I say it's a mystery to me. It's a mystery to me. Pardon me, sir. I hate to be a whiner, but there's an image of a vagina over there that might be seen by a miner. And don't you flip me the bird.